Good morning, everybody. Now, this is our final golden problem for this year on Math EG25. The problem is a website developer is designing the fake account for details for users. The username should consist of 4 letters from A to C, any word with or without meaning, 2 numbers from 0 to 9, and 2 symbols from times, hashtag, exclamation point, and mention. The developer is meaning the number of users to the number of possible arrangements of characters. Here's the question number 1. How many accounts can be created if no character in the username can be used more than once? From A to C, there are 26 uppercase letters and 26 lowercase letters. 26 plus 26 is equal to 52. Now our letters is A and our numbers is 10. So A, 10 raised to 10 times C 52 raised to 4 plus C 10 raised to 2 plus C 4 raised to 2 is equal to 10 exclamation point times 51 times 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 10 times 9 over 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 over 2 times 1 is equal to 26 billion 52498576000000. So that's a lot. So there are 26 billion accounts can be created. That's too much. Now, how many accounts can be created if a character in the username can be used more than once? So A 10 raised to 10 times 52 raised to 4 plus 10 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 2 is equal to 42 billion 45,182. It's like a trillion, so there are 42 trillion accounts that can be created. Here is number 3. How many combinations of letters and numbers and symbols can be created? So C 52 raised to 4, C times raised 10 raised to 2, C 4 raised to 2 is equal to 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 10 times 9 over 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 over 2 times 1. So equals to 73 billions of combinations. So that's more lot. Now, which among the conditions should the developer apply in deciding the username? Justify your answer. Now my answer here is the developer applies in deciding the username among the condition. Number 2, this stream allows more usernames to be registered. The possibility of the username is duplicated is less. More convenient for users to register. Now, here are the solutions and logic reasoning why. Like what I said earlier, the solutions can be on the left side and then logic reasoning is from the right side. So 1 is 42 trillion accounts that can be created. Number 2, they're more like 26 trillion. I'm so sorry. 26 trillion accounts that can be created, and number 2 is there are 42 trillion accounts that can be created, and number 3 there are 73 million combinations. So this means number 4 doesn't have another one logic reasoning. So that's it for the final golden problem. The step 1 is you need to visualize on how many counts can be created if there's no character, and step 2, if there's many counts can be created if a character in the username, and number 3, just justify of how many combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols that can be created, and number 4, you can justify the answer.